Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to change your Instagram to business account. In order to switch your account type, you'll have to first of all update your application. So for that, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram, and once you find the Instagram app, click the update button if there is any, and after you're done updating your application, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. So right over here, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side, and after that, go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon. Once you tap the tab bar icon, a list of menu appears. So from the list, go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, so in order to change your Instagram account type, go ahead and tap the edit profile button. After that, scroll down a bit and go ahead and tap on switch to professional account. So from here, you begin with the creation of business account. So go ahead and tap on continue. So here you'll need to describe what best describes you. Go ahead and select that and click on the create button. Next page is going to take you to the other interface. So here you'll be able to see two different categories. So basically, go ahead and tap on business and click the next button. Once you're done with this procedure, you will need to go ahead and review your contact info. So you can also make changes with your following contact info, what sort of thing you want to add, mention, whatever, and tap the next button. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to connect to your Facebook or not. If you don't want to do it so, then tap the skip button, but if you want to do it so, then tap on the login with Facebook. So once again, to set up your professional account, you'll need to complete 1 out of 5 steps. So you need to go through this procedure. So select it accordingly, and likewise you need to go ahead and complete the 5-step procedures, and then you've successfully created your business account. So in this way you can create a business account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.